welcome back to my channel again. So I got this tool here from Hobby King. It is the Turnigy adjustable 12-in-1 multi-tool hex flat and Phillips head. It's around 10 bucks, $11. I've used one of these from another person at a race, and I really did like it. It seems like it's got really good tips on it, so it looks like you can have it to where it locks farther out, get more of the longer range there. Push it all the way in, a little closer range there. Get this little top that turns in order to pull out the other ones here. So let's see here, let's go through them really quick. We got a hex 1.5 and a hex 2.5. Let's see, we've got a hex 0.05 and a hex 5/64. We got a hex 1/16 and a hex 3/32. See, Phillips H00, don't know what that is, and then we got a flathead 1.5. Let's see, we got a Phillips H0, whatever that is, and a flat 2.5. And them are all of them except for the one that's in it, and that is a hex 2.0 and a hex 3.0. So looks like a pretty good tool. Like I said, I've used one out in the field before. I just haven't bought one for myself. Yeah. Well, alright. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully maybe this will be a little bit helpful. And have a great day.